Hi guys, this is the unboxing of the MacBook. Excuse me. Hi guys, this is the unboxing of the MacBook Air Gold 2018, and this is fresh from the store today. Yes, well, we had a traffic along the way to go and to come back, so it's not that much of a fresh from the store. Anyway, I just came back and trying to fix things here and charging my phone. So now I decided to open this. I removed the plastic and the top cover of the box is already somewhat removed because that takes time. And now the fun part. Ta-da! This is the MacBook Air Gold. So, sorry, I'm just so excited. Okay, so I'll put that aside. So the usual, these are the documentations. And of course, there's this, as I see it already from the rest, there's an a sticker that is in gold also. And then there's this block, which is covered in paper. Would you believe? It's usually in plastic that I see, but now it's in paper. Okay, let's remove that. Or rather, I remove that. And this one is 30 watts USB-C power adapter. Okay. Let's put the trash there. And of course, this is the cable, C to C, as you can see. And nothing more. Okay, I'll put back this here. And I might as well put the receipt here. Okay. And one more thing. To remove this carton, which I don't have to put it inside, just close the box. Sorry, before I close the box, I will show this first and then I'll put the plastic in. That's how I always usually do. So, oops, sorry. Whew, I'm just so excited. Ta-da, ta-da, ta-da. And there you go. And now I can set aside the box. Oops, it's upside down. Sorry. Ooh, I love it. I love it. It's a crime if you're going to use two fingers. So I was just using one when I opened it. And then let's remove this. There's this paper. Yay! And it's powering on, so I guess that's normal. And this is my previous Mac, which I love it also. Of course, who wouldn't love Mac? They're always a dream come true for me to have it in reality. Oh, sorry. The Mac was talking on its own. So, wow, it's a bit heavy compared to this one. And look at the difference. Yay, yay, yay. I do not know if you see it. Yay, yay, yay. Like this. There, you can see the difference. So, that's it. Showing you the unboxing of my MacBook Air Gold. Yay! Thank you for watching.